Hello teacher, my name is Miguel and I'm going to present the challenge number 2 that it was to put five screens. In each one we had to give some information of each of any country that we want. There were five and I choose Canada, England, Germany, Paris and Mexico. And first of all, I put music. Well, I put a button to play the music. I choose to put localization, traditions, costumes, politic division, flag, to stop the music and to change from screen. These are the components. The name of my screen, the name of the button that is play, the name of the second button, the third one, the fourth, the five, the six, 78, and then I have to add um, text messages because what we want to do is to when I press I don't know the button of localization and the program has to give us the information. Well, it has to read the information to us, and then I insert the label. This one can give us, well, it's going to put the text that we put in each button to see the information. And I go to the blog part. Here it is. Well, this is the action that each button has to do. For example, we have the button of Paris that has the option when I press this button that is called Paris, the program has to change the screen and it has to choose the screen that says Paris. Then when I press the button play, the program has to play the the music that I put. Then when I press the button of localization, the program has to speak the message that I put, and at the same time it has to put the text visually to see the information. We do the same with traditions. When I click this button, it has to show me the information and read it for me. We do the same with costumes, politic division, flag, and when I press the button called stop, the program has to stop the audio. Then we change to the screen of Paris. Well, this screen it has a background image of the city in France. It has the same localization, tradition, customs, politic division, flag, button stub, and Germany. The elements are the same as screen number 1, and the only thing that changed is the information. We did the same action in each screen that it says when I press this button or this button, the program has to read us the information and then it has to show to us the information. The same with traditions, tell us the information and we can see the information. The bottom that it says to stop the music, to play the music. When I press the button that it's called Germany, it has to change to a screen called Germany. Then we did the same with Germany. we did the same. And here is my account. We press here in blocks, and we make the same procedure for each screen. But in this case, the only thing that changed it's this action, because what we want to do is to, when we click in this button, it changes to the next screen. Same option to give us the information and to visualize the information for all the ones. And for inserting the music, we insert a button. In this case, I put the name of play, and I put another that his name is stop. And the action is when I press the button that it's called play, what it has to do is to play the music. We did the same with England, but here in England the only thing that changed is this button. Well, what I put in this button it's another screen. This screen is the one, well, it's my final screen because I finished all the project. um, I have here Canada, the same to play music, localization, to visualize information, tradition, visualize costumes, visualize politic division, visualize flag, visualize stop music, and to change the, how do you say, the screen. Here are the options that we can see for C and for visualize the text. And here it has the option that says when I press this button, we have to appear in screen number 1. Well, teacher, this was my second challenge.